Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a very simple design. This is a typography design for the logo. So I'm gonna here just to show you how to design or how to create. This is a logo. This is letter logo, letter design. So it is very simple. Just stay with me and you can learn something from here. So down my talk, just I will stay, I will start, and let's begin today. So first of all, I need to select this one and smaller, little bit here. Yes, I need to keep this a corner sign. I'm gonna keep in here. So let's begin. So what needs? I need just the typing tool before. So I'm pressing and adjust a little bit bigger and double click here and just delete all the things and the type B. So this is a capital letter and a little bigger with the more clear object, and go to the object side and expand it. Okay, press OK. It's almost done. So I need it to a little bigger here with the clear object. So I need to now just go to the rectangle tool and you see this is pop up many tools over here. This I need the rectangle tool. I press here and I need it just like that, not a bigger, too much bigger. I think that's fine. And go over here and I just rotate something here, put a bit this angle. Then this good about a little bit here. I set up to the center here. So I think I keep or put it over here, the exact place. And I need to now just copy this one for the first time. So by pressing Alt key and over drag here, and I keep to the center. So I need to now just to select all the things like that. First of all, I select this one by pressing Shift key and here and this one. Selected all the things and go to the Pathfinder over here and just press the minus. Yes, you see how magic. This is the magic of the Illustrator. So it's very simple. I need to just now ungroup all the things for the color combination. I go to the here. I need to just change the color. Go over here and go through the here. Yes, you see. Select now this one and go for the color. You see how it's happening. It's very simple and very easiest way the entire world, I think. You see how easy, and it's a finish. Finally, I have done exactly what I show in the skin. You see no difference between this one. So these are all. Thanks for watching.